In this video, I want to show you how to clear a paper jam on your Brother MFC-J4335DW in case you're having some issues with your printer. So there's multiple places where you can check for a jam. First place is on the back. So this is the back of the printer. You're going to pinch these gray clips and you're going to pull towards yourself. This will open, and I suggest you take a closer look to these rollers over here because there's a good chance that some paper got stuck here. Take a pair of tweezers or with your finger, go ahead and grab them. Now you can also open this paper input. It's very rare, but something can also get stuck over there. If you're still having an issue, open the top part of the printer. So you see there's a small lip over here that you need to pull up. And now you'll be able to have access to another part of the internals of this printer right over there. So check to see if there's any stuck paper or debris. Go ahead and remove them. Finally, you can check the paper input by pulling this drawer completely and just like that. And now flip this printer on its back. By doing so, you'll have access to these parts, and sometimes these rollers don't take the paper as they should, and it gets stuck there. So that's another way on how to find a paper jam. At the end, let me put back this drawer. What I suggest is that you unplug the printer from your wall outlet, let it sit around 1 minute, and then plug it back. The error should clear by itself if you have removed the stuck paper that you found. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.